Anyways all, welcome back to Devil's Dishes. Today we have some nice easy fried onion rings. Go great with a few chips. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I've half a teaspoon of paprika, pinch of black pepper, pinch of cayenne pepper, 2 pinches of salt, 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And we also have a couple of cups of breadcrumbs that we'll keep in a separate bowl. Okay, so we'll take all our other dry ingredients and we'll mix them all in. We'll keep the breadcrumbs separate. We'll give it a good mix. Okay, so now we'll get about 120 ml of water, but don't put it all in. Just gradually put it in and keep giving it a good mix. Make sure to get all the lumps out of it. So you get something like that that's a little bit sticky, but it doesn't feel too thick. Okay, so now I'll get one big onion. I'm going to cut the ends off it and peel it. Then I'm going to chop it into bits a little bit under, about 3/4 of a centimetre thick. Doesn't have to be exact. And when we do that, we're going to separate it into rings. Okay, so once we have it separated, we're going to get our batter. We're going to dip the onions into it and give them a good stir into it. Then we're going to take them and stick them into our breadcrumbs. Give them a good stir around that. Okay, so while we've done that, we can just stick them on a plate until our oil is heated up. And we're going to preheat the oil to about 175, 180C. That's about 350F. And then we're going to put them in small batches, don't put too many in. And we're going to cook them for about 2 minutes or until they're golden brown. If your oil's a bit hotter, it'll be a bit quicker. If it's not as hot, it'll be a little bit longer. Okay, so after they're done, we're going to take them out, put them on a wire rack to cool. Don't need them too long though, because they go cold very quickly. And there we go. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Bye bye, and take it easy.